tired, and I'm super excited to be back with you again today to talk to you more about plants. And I'm here with Brad.
Hello.
We're going to read a plant book, play a little quick game, and look at our plants and see how they're growing. So, the book is called Seed to Plant. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers and others grow fruit. Trees are plants also. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Roots are the plant. Roots hold the plant in the ground. These are the roots, just like the feet are sort of like your roots. The stem holds the plant up tall. Your body is like your stem, and the leaves soak up the sunlight, just like your arms are sort of like leaves. How does a plant begin? Let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. The seed splits open and a shoot pushes out. This is called germination. A new plant is beginning. A seedling starts to grow, and roots reach down in the soil. A stem pushes up into the air. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem grows thicker and stronger, and more leaves and branches grow. What do plants need? Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. 6 fun plant facts. This palm tree seed weighs as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world, so it weighs more than you. Scrub-a-dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. A paper from this book was also made from a tree. One sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. Bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old kid in one day. That's pretty amazing. The tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York City. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. The bud slowly opens and petals gently unfold. Surprise! It's a flower! Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. Then the pollen rubs off on other flowers. This is called pollination, and it helps flowers make seeds. Seeds. Some plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. The case is called a pod. Peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside. But strawberry seeds are on the outside. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind, others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate, and a new plant begins. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? And this talks about how you can grow a garden, and we're going to take a look at our plants in just 1 minute. But first I have a quick game. The other day we learned about parts of the plants and what plants need to grow. In a couple of days, You're gonna make a plant with me out of paper. I sent you some things home that you're gonna make to build a plant. But today, we're gonna remember what a plant needs to grow. So, and Brad's gonna help you out. So I have some cards here and I'm gonna hold them up and we're gonna see if you and Brad can figure out if it's something that a plant needs to grow. The first is milk. It's something that Brad drinks a lot of because it helps him grow big and tall. Brad, do you think that's something a plant needs to grow?
I don't think so.
You're right, Brad. It is not something a plant needs to grow big and tall. Let's see if we can find something else. What about water and rain? What do you think about that, Brad?
I do think plants need that.
You're right. They do. They need water. And if they're outside, it's the rain. And if it's inside, we help them out by giving them some water. Now it's your turn. Do you think that plants need pancakes? That's another thing that Brad and Becca eat a lot of. It helps them get big. Do you think it helps a plant get big? You're right. It does not. They don't need pancakes to get big and strong. What about the sun? Do plants need sunlight to get big and grow? Wow, good job, they do. Let's see if Brad can help out with the next one. Brad, we need a house to keep us safe. Do plants need a home?
No.
No, they don't. They do not need to live in a house to stay safe and grow. Let's see about the next one. What about this one? Do you think plants need soil to grow? Remember we said soil was that fancy word for dirt. Yes, you're right, they do. They do need soil. What about an umbrella to keep them dry? Do they need an umbrella to grow? No, they like the rain. So just to review, the three things that a plant needs are soil, the sun, and water. And our plants got all of those things, or at least some of them did. And let's take a look. First, I want to show you what's going on in here. Becca, can you just show them the top? So we can't see their roots yet, but look. I see some sprouts over here. These are carrot sprouts, I think. But I know these three are radish sprouts. So they sit in the sun and they get their water and they are growing in their soil big and strong. Now, I don't know if you remember, but the other day I showed you some seeds that I put different places. These are some seeds that I put in some water, and look, you can see the seeds. There's a little tiny root. You can see this one. There's a root that goes the whole way down, and there's a sprout that's coming up. They were in the sun. Let's take a look at the ones. You can take a walk with me into my kitchen, and you can see the ones that I put in the refrigerator. Do you think those seeds that I put in the refrigerator got sun? Did they get sun in my refrigerator? No. Let's see what happened to them. You can peek at all my goodies in my refrigerator. I put the seeds, I hung them on this wall, and let's take a look. So, are they sprouting green sprouts like the other ones? They are not. They did not have the sun to help them grow, and they were cold. Another thing that the sunlight gives our plants is heat, and these were cold and did not get the sunlight. They did not sprout. So that is a good example of why we need the sun. And I just want to thank you so much for coming and learning about plants with us. And I'm excited because next time you come back and we talk about plants, we are going to build a plant with some things that I sent home with your mom and dad. I'll see you then. Bye.